Hello, I'm going to be demoing a workflow with Korey and the cursor coding agent, and then I'm going to be tracking the work done by those two tools in Shortcut. So let's start by creating a ticket. The feature that I'm going to be working on today is going to be in support of our new feature within Korey, image uploads. The service in our backend that processes Korey messages needs access to our attachments S3 bucket. So I need to make some Terraform changes to make this happen. So let's start by creating a ticket with Korey. Okay, great. Korey has now created a ticket in Shortcut based on the criteria we've given it. Now we can modify this if we think changes need to be made. Let me review quickly. Okay, I think this will be plenty of context to give to the cursor agent. So now we can go back to Korey and say, now we're asking Korey to implement this ticket via our cursor agent. Okay, Korey has now successfully created a cursor agent that is actively working on our ticket. We can see the status of the cursor agent by either asking Korey directly or by clicking on the link here that will take us to the cursor agent. In this case, the agent is already completed. The agent has also created a branch here, and this branch is linked directly to our story. And because changes have been pushed to this branch, we can see that the ticket has also been moved to an in development state. Now let's check out what our cursor agent has built for us. We can see here there's a summary of the changes that were made, and then there's also a link directly to the pull request that it has created. So now it's time to review these changes and get some approval from the rest of the team.
Okay, the team has now had a chance to review the code that was pushed up by Cursor, and we've gotten some approval here. And the PR was actually merged. And so once this is merged, we can check our shortcut ticket and see that the state has been moved to ready for deploy. And in my case, I have actually already applied these Terraform changes. So I can go ahead and mark this task as completed.